Alrighty troops, I'm no orange. I'm just a fucking crazy carrot here. Right, so tell you a wee story. A wee trick. How to trigger small-minded broccoli brains. Since we've not got any normal football to talk about, all this international pish. But hey-ho, back to Rugby Park on Sunday, which always confused me because I thought Kelly played football. It's like that fucking Harlem fucking Globetrotters or Wrexham. They play at the racecourse, but I'm pretty sure they play football too. Anywho, a wee trick. How to trigger small-minded broccoli brains. Now, I was in the John Moore one night heading home, quick pint, and there was this couple, clearly been on the marching powder, and we started jibber-jabbering. Now they were for Coatbridge, so you could tell they were broccolis. So we started jibber-jabbering, and they were hardcore broccolis. I seen an opportunity. They were in Glasgow. They were in the big smoke for a dirty weekend, man. That's why they were full of the marching powder. Anyway, so we started jibber-jabbering. And this is how you lure them in. You start telling them how good Jockstein was. Oh, aye, Jockstein, man. Aye, fucking amazing, man. Aye, Jockstein's some man. And they're like, oh, don't you, man? Fucking carrot motherfucker, tell me how good Jockstein was. And you hit them with a sucker punch, which typically drives them to their phone, start doing some googling. You tell them Jockstein was a fucking mason. No way. No, it's just referees and Rangers. Fucking carrot cunts. And I'm like, no, Jockstein, man. Done for the Ayrshire way. Pretty sure he was the son of a miner. No small person. Some cunt that fucking went underground mining. And he was a mason. Aye. Jockstein. Good man. Yeah. These two broccoli brains fucking exploded, man. Had to take to their phones. What you saying that? Finished my pint, went on my way, man. Hope I didn't spoil their dirty weekend in the big smoke. That's what happens when you've got broccoli for brains. Anyway, remember, I'm no fucking orange. I'm just a fucking big wind-up crazy carrot.